She came to court with a 2-year deal on the table, but the judge wasn't convinced. After multiple probation violations, the judge rejected the agreement and sentenced her to 6 years in prison. Then another defendant faced a similar choice and chose 1 year behind bars. 2 cases, 2 shocking courtroom decisions.
2671 State versus Jessica Nicole Dauberman. Could I have parties announced?
State. Adrian Faddis for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Dauberman?
Yes.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jessica Nicole Dauberman who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on February 4th, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Judge, again, proceeding on violation case number 1, specifically the on or about the 30th day of January.
Oh, is that on a different motion?
It should be on the first amended motion.
All right. Did you review the first amended motion to adjudicate with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Judge, on or about the 30th day of January 2026 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Dauberman, committed the offense of unauthorized use of motor vehicle in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
We're also proceeding on violation condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Dauberman, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2025, a violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Judge, finally, we'll be proceeding on violation of condition number 4, specifically that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Nicole Dauberman, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of January 2026, a violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Judge, the state will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 4, and 4? The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1, 4, and 4? Court, you're going to have to speak up.
Yes.
Court will find 1, 4, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence here 2 years to do and TC.
All right. So what has she done on probation? Did you pay probation, did she pay the $1,946.55 restitution?
No, Judge.
Has she done anything on probation?
Judge, it does not look like it, Judge.
All right.
May I proceed, Judge?
Yes.
Judge, we're in agreement with the 2 years TDCJ. Sometimes there's just not an excuse to give. She was on probation. There were things that she was supposed to do, and yes, she did not do them. But we did reach an agreement with the state quickly, swiftly. She took responsibility for not performing her probation. I would ask the court to take that into consideration and follow the recommendation between the parties.
All right. So did she ever provide a valid driver's license to probation? Because that was part of her agreement, to provide no driving until she produced a valid driver's license to probation. So was a valid driver's license ever produced?
No, Judge.
And what is the violation of condition number 1 that you played true to?
Unauthorized use of motor vehicle.
All right. The court is finding 1, 4, and 4 true. The court is going to the court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to revoke. The court will order restitution of $1,946.55 to Nina Lopez under cause number 2024 AL 001123. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And the court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Versus Jose Flores, could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Pray on behalf of Mr. Flores, to my right.
And are you Mr. Flores?
Right.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amended Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jose Aaron Flores who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 002235 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on May 19, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Dare County, Texas, the defendant, Jose Aaron Flores, did and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and December 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And then the remainder of this.
Any objection?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, we're going to open to the court.
All right. State, what are you requesting?
You grant the state's motion, revoke the community supervision and sentence him to 2 years in prison.
All right. In defense, what are you requesting?
We're asking for intensive outpatient treatment with random UAs and an opportunity to attend AANA. He got into a car accident. If you look at his arm here, he's in a very serious car accident. I think that kind of got him derailed.
I was struck by a vehicle on July 13th.
If you want to go under oath, we'll place you under oath. If you want to tell me something,
Yes, ma'am.
can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jose Aaron Flores.
All right. You may proceed.
Mr. Flores, you heard the allegations from the state that you were not in compliance with the terms and conditions of probation. You recall that?
Yes,
You just pled true to them, correct?
correct.
And one of those allegations that you failed to report, do you recall that allegation?
Yes,
Now, with respect to failing to report, you indicated to me that you had some health concerns.
yes, sir.
And what would those health concerns have been?
It was that I was struck by a vehicle while I was on foot. I almost lost my left arm because it was hanging by its tendons, and I was almost cut in half. I had ragdolled over a vehicle that I was told by EMS when I went to go thank them that was a Jeep. But the police report that came out 45 days later said it was a 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. The EMS responder that I had spoken to said it was a female that had moved around a.
Okay. All right. You're getting a little bit left field. I'm just trying to figure out. The allegation is that you failed to
I was in the
report.
hospital during that time.
All right. So July
13th is when I was struck.
and what year?
2025.
So you're saying you were in the hospital in July,
Yes, ma'am.
August?
August was, I nearly got hit by another vehicle and it hit me in a certain way. I had a traumatic, I guess, event relapsing with the vehicle that had struck me.
Okay. September?
It's September. Oh no, August, July, August. I was still in the hospital because I was there for 17 days. Because my visit towards probation was supposed to be, I believe, the 15th or the 16th, and I was in the hospital because I had just gotten struck.
Okay. October?
I showed up October, I believe.
Okay.
Okay. And with that said,
In
John,
December?
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry. December?
It was only 2 times that I didn't show up because as soon as I got out 17 days after the hospital, I went straight to probation and I spoke to a temporary I forget what it's called, but it is a.
Well, here's the thing. So I understand that you were in a car accident in
and I
July.
did-
So why didn't you go in December
December to
2025? Because you pled true to not reporting December 2025 and July of 2025.
yes, okay, December 2025. The reason I didn't go in is because I nearly got hit and I fell off and I'd forgotten what day I was supposed to go to probation. And that's when I didn't Sure.
In the general, Your Honor, we're not running from responsibility. We're taking responsibility because you played true.
Correct.
And you understand that at a minimum, you could have called and let them know you were in the hospital and having some difficulties. But obviously being in pain like in that situation made it a little tough. But again, we're taking responsibility, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with that being said, Your Honor, he had some drug issues with marijuana.
Well, any more questions for him?
None.
All right, state any questions.
Yes. Okay, so you were in scarce communication with your probation officer, I guess is how you would call it. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And so some of the communication that you had with your probation officer, you admitted to using marijuana. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, and so you had admitted to using marijuana through the month of September of 2025, October of 2025, November of 2025, December of 2025, and January of 2026. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so when were you in the hospital again?
In July.
Of 2025?
Correct.
Okay. And
I was using marijuana because it was helping me with the anxiety of the trauma from the accident.
We know you need drug treatment. You're not running from that.
and so then what was the reason that you did not report in December of 2025?
Once again, I had forgotten the date and I had fallen off of my e-bike.
And then the reason that you are before the court today is because you were picked up for something else. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And in December, so I guess when you were placed on probation, you provided them the address of 3500. Were you living at that location?
Yes.
Okay. Who were you living there with?
My wife.
Okay. Were you aware that probation attempted to make multiple field visits in the months of December and January at that location?
Yes, I actually completed all 6 of my field visits that were required by my home visits, and they had suggested several things that I could do to be able to aid me as the Compassionate Care Act. But I just didn't know what exactly I was supposed to do, and I didn't do it. But I did get myself a DBA under Sigma Digital Magus, and I have a website, and I started doing tech repair, which is part of my probation condition. And I started doing drone pilot classes, which is part of my probation as well.
Okay. But you said you successfully completed those field visits. Is that what you said?
Yes.
But I'm specifically talking about in December of 2025 and January 2026, probation said that they went to your home to conduct a field visit and you weren't there.
I was out. I was conducting experiments in my research.
Oh, okay.
But you should have been there and reported.
Yeah, correct. I did not leave my home, and I wasn't trying to avoid them.
Okay. And you're taking responsibility.
Yes.
Afterwards.
No questions, John. Again, we're just asking for it.
Oh, I just have one quick question. Were you walking along the freeway?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
There's a green belt behind where St. Matthew's Sports.
Oh, no, I'm only asking because San Antonio has to be the only city where I see people walking on the freeway. And I was just wondering.
I walk through nature.
Okay, that's awesome. All right. This is what the court is going to do. I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choices. Don't ask for any other. 1, I'll revoke you and sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. 2, I'll continue you, but you're going to do a TAP evaluation while you're in custody and follow whatever recommendations that TAP is recommending. If they want inpatient treatment, you're going to do inpatient treatment. Those are your only 2 choices.
I'll take the year, ma'am.
All right. Court will find you. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
And just really quickly, Your Honor, I had a conversation with the state if they'll confirm that off the record, if he was given time, the state would let go of his new pre-file case. Is that
Correct. Cause number 2026 PF 04905.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal? I can't hear you.
Yes.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty revoke, sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Court will recommend a therapeutic community. Take in consideration 2026 PF 04905. There's be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yeah.